Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto. Turning $300 into $1,500 using 3 different opportunities in the same ecosystem. We're going to look at Seek Rewards, Seekgold, and Seekcoin. Now, the first one which you're going to get into is the Seek Rewards. Seek Rewards is a community-based passive income smart contract with daily rewards you can depend on 7 days per week, 1% daily. And the uniqueness of Seek Rewards is the fact that it's not dependent on new users. It has an ecosystem built outside which feeds the contract. Since I've gotten into the Seek Rewards program, the balance has ranged between $45,000 and $60,000. I haven't seen it gone below $45,000. And when you get in, your funds is locked in. You can't add additional funds. You can only withdraw. So that's a proof that there's work being done in the background. Because if everyone keeps on withdrawing after getting in, the balance is supposed to go down. And currently the Seek Rewards balance is stable, ranging between $45,000 and $60,000. Now how it works, it's pretty easy. You connect your MetaMask via the Binance Smart Chain. You click on $100 and you deposit BNB. After you've done your deposit, you can go to your personal statistics and you'll see your $100 appear here. I got in with $300. And the goal is to turn this $300 into $1,500. Now my strategy is all my profits from the Seek Rewards, I'm pulling it out and I'm pushing it towards the Seekgold opportunity. As you can see, daily income, I have $29 available. We'll click that and we'll withdraw it. The withdrawal is done, and I should have more or less 30 something dollars in my wallet now. $45 in my wallet, as you can see. Funds in my wallet. Now from here, I'm going to move over to the Seekgold opportunity. Now the Seekgold is like a wallet. You get in, you can leave your crypto there, and it will gain interest through dividends. There's a unique opportunity where when you deposit, it takes off 10% for dividends, and this 10% gets divided between everyone in the contract according to the amount of Seekgold credits they have. When you decide to take all your funds out, you pay another 7% dividend distribution, and this gets shared between everyone yet again according to the amount of Seekgold's credits they have. Now let's see how much BNB I have available to top up my account. I got 0.11 BNB available. Now very important is the minimum is 0.1, but always leave a little bit of BNB so you can do the transactions and have enough funds for gas fees. We'll put in 0.1, buy BNB credits. We'll confirm, and you'll see my Seekgold credits will increase, making my share of dividends bigger and bigger. We'll wait for the transaction to complete, and after it completed, this amount should increase. There you can see my amount of credits has increased, and I got a small percentage of dividend as well. Now my goal is take my dividends and buy Seekgold tokens. The Seekgold token is unique. It's still in pre-sale. As you can see here, pre-sale is in stage 4 and the price is currently 5 cents a token. Buy now before the price increased to 0.6 in stage 5. Now the uniqueness about the Seekcoin is the fact that it's ecosystem based. When the token finally gets released, there's going to be a 15% tax. 5% goes to users according to the amount of Seekcoins they hold. 5% gets burned, and 5% goes into the ecosystem, helping to grow and build the ecosystem even more. As you can see, besides the Seek token, it's Seek rewards that's already working, and it's Seekgold that's already working. Now, the next thing in the ecosystem planning is the release of the coin. Now, my goal is take $300 to $1,500 using Seek rewards into Seekgold. My dividends from Seekgold, I'm buying Seekcoins. The moment the Seekcoin gets released, I'm going to use the reflections I'm getting, the 5%, to feed my Seek rewards. And all the profits from Seek rewards, I'm going to push towards my Seekgold and build my ecosystem. So currently, I'm moving on nicely. The goal is to get my Seekgold to a value of $1,500 due to the fact that this funds is available at any time, turning $300 into $1,500. Leave me your thoughts and concerns, and all the links will be down below in the description. Have a great one and build those ecosystems.